Good morning to one and all. This is KVN Murthy. Stay safe, stay at home. Today onwards, we start 10th class physics classes. This is online class. We are all observing offline at home. Stay safe. Thank you. మధ్యలో పాస్ చేసుకుంటాం. Today we are discussing about heat lesson. Daily life we are observing different type of waters: cold water, hot water, lukewarm water. Cold water, when you touch that water, we can say it is cold. When touch the another water, when it is hot, we say that water is hot water. So when you touch another bowl of water, when you touch it, it is lukewarm water, means light cool, light hot. So that is lukewarm. We can say the lukewarm water, it is a light hot, that is lukewarm water. In Telugu గోరు వెచ్చని నీళ్లు అంటారు కదా, that is lukewarm water. So actually here we are observing hot and cold. Hot అంటే వేడి, cold అంటే చల్లని. So the hot and cold words very commonly we are using our daily life. For example, we can take any two materials, wood and metal. These two materials, for example, this is a wood and metal also we are taking. When you keep these two metal inside the phrase, after some time we take out from the phrase, we can say it is having, sometimes it is cold. And this is also cold. Which is both we can compare, means this wood is more time it has coldness. The metal is sometimes only it will cold. So we are saying like that the comparability of any objects. Another one, I am having a hot body, we can say. So if another boy when touch it, that person, so yes, your body is very hot. So when you feel with our palm, we can touch that body, we can say hot or cold. Okay, all of understood now? So here we can say first temperature. What is temperature? Temperature means the degree of hotness or coldness is called as temperature. What is temperature? The degree of hotness or coldness is called as temperature. This temperature we can measure with thermometer. This is a thermometer. This thermometer having here Fahrenheit scale and Celsius scales also measuring. Okay, so we can find out that temperature by the help of this thermometer scale. Next, heat. One more word, heat is there. What is heat? It is a form of energy. Everybody will learn in the lower classes. It is a form of energy in transit that flows from a body at higher temperature to body at lower temperature. It is a form of energy in transit that flows from a body at higher temperature to a body at lower temperature is known as heat. So this temperature and heat having units also. What is the unit of SI? Unit of heat means, SI means system of international units. What is the system of international units of heat? Means joule. What are the SI units of heat? Joule. We indicate this capital J. One more units, CGS units is there. Centimeter, gram, second units is calorie. Calorie started from CAL, calorie. What is calorie? What is calorie means the amount of heat required to rise the temperature of 1 gram water by 1 degree Celsius is called as calorie. Okay, I am repeated again. The amount of heat required to rise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius is called as calorie. 1 calorie equal to how much? 1 calorie equal to 4.186 joules. 1 calorie equal to 4.186 joules. Okay. 1 calorie equal to 4.186 joules, we are saying that. Like that, same temperature also we are having units. SI unit of temperature Kelvin. SI unit of temperature Kelvin. It is indicated capital K. And one more unit, degree Celsius also we are indicating that. So here degree Celsius equal to 273 kelvins. Degree Celsius equal to 273 kelvins. So I can give one example. If I have a body, any body having temperature of steel rod, for example, the temperature of steel rod is 330 kelvins. 330 kelvins. Now you can change in Celsius degrees. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. So now you take the temperature of steel rod 330 kelvins minus 273. It will subtracted answer 53 degrees Celsius. We can say this 53 temperature in degree Celsius. Okay. So these are the most important words of temperature, heat, hotness and coldness. Normal temperature of a human body. 98.4 degrees Fahrenheit. We can say in Fahrenheit scale. In Celsius scale, 36.9 degrees Celsius. Okay, so normal temperature of human body we can measure with Fahrenheit scale and Celsius scale. Next, sometimes we can change degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit and kelvins. So we can change one scale to another scale also. 0 degree Celsius equal to 273 kelvins. For example, 46 degrees Celsius we can change in a Kelvin scale means 273 plus 46. So that means 9, 11, 319 kelvins. Okay. Okay, like this, so many examples we can change one scale to another scale, change the kelvins to Celsius, Celsius to Fahrenheit, like that. Number of given examples. Several examples we can try at home. Celsius scale to Kelvin scale to Celsius scale, like that Fahrenheit scale. You try it to home. Do more examples. Thank you to one and all.